Hey guys, welcome to MNMM PT NAATI YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss a very important part of your PTE exam. Most of us these days we are aiming for 65 plus. It can be for your permanent residency in a specific country or your nursing registration or some other purpose, alright? So let us today focus on if you want 65 plus in PTE exam, what should you do? So the most important thing that I want to cover is number one, what topics should you focus on and what topics should you not focus on, because there are 20 topics in PTE. So if you want 65 or more than 65, you only need to focus on these topics. So let us write them down, okay? So first I'll talk about speaking section. The first has to be obviously read aloud, then repeat sentence, third describe image, and fourth retell lecture. So basically pretty much the entire speaking section, you just don't need to prepare answer short questions. So out of 5, you need to focus on 4 topics. So speaking, not much change. Let's come to writing section. Writing, I would focus only on summarize written text. I'm not writing the full name. Summarize written text. And then let's come to the reading section. Reading, I would only focus on fill in the blanks, reading, and second fill in the blanks, reading and writing. Only these 2 topics, which means I will not focus on MCQ single, MCQ multiple and reorder paragraphs. And the last section of your exam, which is listening. In listening, there are 8 topics. I would only focus on 4 of them. Most important for me would be write from dictation. Then second most important will be summarize spoken text. Third would be fill in the blanks listening. And fourth would be highlight incorrect words. So if we take a total 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7 and plus 4 8 9 10 11. Which means I have to focus on 11 topics out of 20 if I want 65 or more than 65. That means I do not need to focus on 9 topics of our PTE exam. Now when I say focused, don't focus, I am not saying that ignore those 9 topics, never ever prepare them. No, I'm not saying that. I am saying you can have a gist of those topics. You should have an understanding of what those topics are. Prepare it, like 5 minutes or so someday if you have time, if you feel the other topics are all done. But the priority should be these 11 topics. If these 11 topics are not mastered, then I will not waste my time on doing those 9 topics. But if you feel my 11 topics are mastered, I'm very good at them, then if you have time, just go and do those 9 topics. You can just go through them, do 1 or 2 questions, and that should be fine. Alright, so please understand the difference of what I'm trying to say. So this is the first thing that you need to understand when you know that you need 65 and above. Now second thing is, now you know that okay, these are the 11 topics I need to prepare. What should be your attitude towards preparation? So whenever I have any exam, okay, I'm just taking my example, what I used to do for past so many years when I was preparing for my exam, and that has always helped me to get good scores in whatever exam I used to give. First thing is, I have my exam date written in front of me. Even if you haven't booked your exam, assume that okay, this is the day when I want to give exam. For example, let's say you want to give exam on 1st of May, for example, okay. So first thing is, I will write down that okay, my exam is on 1st of May, okay. Now I have an examination date, which means I know how many days I have for preparation. Write down number of days for preparation. Now some of you might be thinking, why to waste time in doing all of this? This is not wasting your time. This is the correct attitude towards preparing for your exam. So if you want to do it, that's well and good. If you choose not to do it, that's absolutely fine. Obviously, I'm not forcing anyone to do this, but this has helped me and a lot of students of mine. So I'm just sharing a method, but the decision is yours if you want to adopt it. So I will definitely write down number of days for preparation. Let's say 30 days. Okay. Now I have a clarity. I have 30 days left with me for preparing for my exam. Now, how many days can you allocate to PTE every single day. Write it down. Now let's say you're working for 5 days. I'm taking an example. So when you're working, you're only able to allocate, let's say 3-4 hours, but weekends you're not working, or whichever days you're not working, you can allocate the double, 6-7 hours. Your priorities have to be different. If you feel I really want to get this exam done in a month, then obviously you have to make sure that your focus is exam and not doing the other things, because if you want to do everything, maybe you will not be able to manage that. So if you want to get something, you have to lose something. And if I want to get my PT score, I might lose some parties, I might lose some get-togethers, I might lose some entertainment, some movies, but that's fine, because once I get my score, I can go back to those, go back to that world of entertainment. So have that balance, you cannot get everything done. So let's say I know that, okay, I'll be preparing for so and so hours. Now, what is my suggestion? Allocate on weekly basis, okay? And then when you allocate on weekly basis, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, okay, you should put a tick every day when you finish what you were supposed to do on that day. So with this is all study timetable and all that, okay, study plan. Let's say every single day you should do speaking. That is a must. Doesn't matter how good your English is, doesn't matter that, whatever. Speaking, according to me, should be done every single day. What you should do is, if you don't have an idea of the topic, just go back to our channel, YouTube. Every topic is explained in detail. Important questions are shared, techniques are shared, how to do a topic, the approach towards that topic, everything is shared in detail for every single topic. That's covered. Watch it, take notes, practice that topic immediately. If you know what that topic is, start practicing that topic. So speaking and reading should be done every day. Speaking and reading should be done every day. Fill in the blanks, practice as many as you can. Understand the meaning of the paragraph, meaning of the sentence. Use Longman dictionary when you sit and practice your reading blanks, so that if you are not sure of the meaning, you use Longman dictionary, search the meaning, and then move to the next questions. Don't mug up the questions, because what if you don't get the same questions? If you get same questions, great, you're lucky. If not, what then? So understand that. So I would do that. Listening, writing, you can keep it alternate days, okay? So let's say if you're doing writing only has one topic, summarize written text. So with writing, you can club the easy topics of listening, which is fill in the blanks, listening, and highlight incorrect words. So let's say today you are doing speaking, reading, and then writing. So with writing, you can, when you're doing writing, you can do summarize written text and fill in the blanks, listening, and highlight incorrect words. Tomorrow you do speaking, reading, and listening. So when I say listening, which means write from dictation and summarize spoken text. So what I'm trying to say is speaking and reading should be done every single day. All right, especially the last 1 month of the exam, or less than 1 month of the exam, you cannot afford to have breaks in preparation. Okay, practice every single day. Consistency is important. If you don't do it, don't expect a very smooth exam, because you'll be stressed, you have not practiced enough, you'll be nervous, you'll make mistakes. If you make one mistake, you'll be more nervous, and that will help you to make more mistakes. So understand that psychology. All right, so according to me, having a clarity of what topics you need to prepare, how many days do you have for preparation, how many hours you have for preparation, what do I need to do today? Sit and practice with your phone on silent. Nobody should be disturbing you. When you finish your practicing, that's when you get up. If you have that attitude, trust me, you'll clear this exam very easily. But if not, I have seen students stretching this exam like anything, giving it 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Waste of money, waste of time, because the approach is not correct. So I hope you followed the correct approach, but if you feel that you need more guidance, you can always get in touch with us on Instagram or Facebook Messenger. Just search for MNMM PT NAATI, you'll find us. You can text us there. We are more than happy to organize one-on-one consultations. It can be 1 hour consultation, half an hour consultation, or even more if you want. We are happy to do that, and it can be regarding PT or NAATI. NAATI, as of now, we are covering only 3 languages, Hindi, Gujarati, and Punjabi. Hopefully more in future, but as of now it's only 3. So you can get in touch with us regarding that as well if you want the prediction file for NAATI. So Just see if these videos you feel are not enough and you need a one-on-one interaction, straight away get in touch with us on Instagram or Facebook Messenger. All right. With that, I'll take your leave. Do follow this study plan. Keep in mind the importance of this study plan so that you realize the importance, you follow it, and you get your score. Bye for now.